Hey there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Welcome to our video where we'll explore the revolutionary new industrial era powered by the Internet of Things, known as IoT. If you're interested in how technology can optimize maintenance strategies and data tracking, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how IoT and predictive maintenance, or PDM, can work together to enhance efficiency and reliability of operations. The Internet of Things is essentially about connecting offline applications and equipment to the Internet, enabling users to track their equipment, understand its current status, and use it at maximum efficiency. It's an increasingly interconnected network of smart items. For instance, you might have a smart light that communicates with your smart speaker to harmonize your lighting and music choices, or a smart washer that connects to Amazon to instantly reorder detergent pods. Today, we're diving into the association between IoT and predictive maintenance, or PDM. At first glance, the connection might not be obvious, but fundamentally, these two share a common thread. They both monitor a connected network of parameters and assets. In this new era, IoT-connected technologies can significantly enhance how predictive maintenance operates. Traditionally, predictive maintenance has relied on expensive sensor equipment and infrared cameras. In the past, we might have had to actively monitor these cameras, but even now, the system isn't perfect. Enter the power of interconnected technology. This allows us to network these cameras and sensors effortlessly with existing computer systems, creating automatic maintenance events and sometimes even performing fixes without any maintenance intervention at all. But the benefits of IoT technology don't stop there. It can also help facilities track data through their PDM program by monitoring the constant influx of data from every piece of equipment in the facility. We can now gather all of this data in its raw form and translate it into understandable information. Armed with this knowledge, we can optimize maintenance, identify the root causes of issues, and enhance a facility's overall maintenance efforts. So, let's wrap this up. IoT technology is more than just a fun gadget like a Wi-Fi dishwasher. It's a powerful tool for constantly monitoring and gathering data from every single asset or application possible. It provides an accurate diagnosis of a facility's asset health and offers multiple opportunities for optimization in a predictive maintenance program. This is the true power of IoT in the new industrial era. Thank you for watching. We've explored how IoT technology and predictive maintenance work together to optimize maintenance strategies and data tracking. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to learn about this revolutionary new era. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, stay tuned and keep learning.